Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to practice some super useful English conversations you can use at a cafe or coffee shop. Going out for coffee is a great way to socialize, relax, or get some work done. So, knowing what to say will make the whole experience smoother and more enjoyable. We'll cover everything from ordering your drink and food to asking for the Wi-Fi password and even handling some common situations. I'll say a line, and then I'll leave a pause for you to repeat it. This is a fantastic way to improve your pronunciation and build your confidence. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, let's practice ordering a simple coffee. This is the most common thing you'll do. When you get to the counter, the barista might say something like, "Hi, what can I get for you?" Or "Hello, what would you like today?" Let's practice your response. You can be simple and direct. Repeat after me. "Hi, can I get a latte please? I'll have a medium Americano. Could I have a small cappuccino?" Great. Now, what if you want to specify the type of milk? Many people have preferences, like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk. Let's try that. "Can I get a large latte with oat milk, please? I'd like a flat white with almond milk. Could I have a cappuccino with soy milk?" Awesome job. Sometimes, you might want to add something extra, like a flavor shot or whipped cream. Here's how you can ask for that. "Can I get an iced latte with a shot of vanilla? I'll have a hot chocolate with whipped cream, please. Could I get a mocha with an extra shot of espresso?" Excellent. Let's put it all together into a more complete order. Imagine you want a medium iced coffee with almond milk and a shot of caramel syrup. Let's try saying that. "Hi, could I get a medium iced coffee with almond milk and a shot of caramel, please?" Perfect. Now, let's move on to ordering food. Cafes usually have delicious pastries, cakes, and sandwiches. The barista might ask, "Anything else for you? Or would you like any food with that?" Here are some ways to order food. Repeat after me. "Yes, I'll also have a chocolate croissant. Could I get a blueberry muffin as well? I'd like to add a slice of lemon cake, please." What if you're not sure what you want? You can always ask for a recommendation. This is a great way to try something new. Let's practice asking for suggestions. What do you recommend? What are your most popular pastries? What's the soup of the day? The barista might reply with something like, "Our almond croissant is really popular," or "Today's soup is tomato basil." This is a great chance to practice your listening skills too. Now, let's combine a drink and a food order. Let's say you want a large Americano and a plain bagel with cream cheese. "Hi there, can I get a large Americano and a plain bagel with cream cheese, please?" Let's try another one. You want a small chai latte and a slice of banana bread. "Hello, I'd like a small chai latte and a slice of banana bread, please." You're doing great. After you order, the barista will confirm if you're eating in or taking it away. They'll ask, "Is that for here or to go? Or will that be dine-in or takeaway?" Let's practice how to answer. "For here, please. To go, please. Dine-in, thanks. Takeaway, please." Simple, right? Now, let's talk about payment. The barista will tell you the total. That'll be $10.50, or your total is $7.25. Here's how you can ask about payment methods. Do you take credit cards? Can I pay with Apple Pay? Is it okay to pay with cash? Most places accept cards, but it's always good to know how to ask. Okay, let's role-play a full interaction from start to finish. I'll be the barista, and you'll be the customer. I'll say my line, then I'll leave a pause for you to say your line. Let's imagine you want a medium latte with oat milk and a chocolate chip cookie. For here, ready. "Hi there, what can I get for you today?" Pause for you to say, "Hi, can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please? Anything else?" Pause for you to say, "Yes, I'll have a chocolate chip cookie as well." Great. Will that be for here or to go? Pause for you to say, "For here, please." Alright, your total is $8.75. Pause for you to say, "Okay, do you take credit cards?" "Yes, we do." Fantastic. You just had a full successful conversation at a coffee shop. Now, let's cover some other useful phrases. What if you need to use the internet? Most cafes have free Wi-Fi for customers. Here's how to ask for the password. "Excuse me, do you have Wi-Fi here? Could you tell me the Wi-Fi password, please?" What's the Wi-Fi network and password? Another common question is about the bathroom. You can ask, "Excuse me, where is the restroom? Could you point me to the washroom?" Sometimes, you might need something extra after you've already sat down, like sugar or a napkin. You can go up to the counter and say, "Excuse me, could I get some sugar please? Sorry to bother you, but could I have a napkin? Do you have any stir sticks?" These polite phrases are really helpful. Let's practice a few problem-solving scenarios. What if they get your order wrong? It happens sometimes. Let's say you ordered a regular latte but they gave you one with soy milk. You can say politely, "Excuse me, I think I ordered a regular latte, but this tastes like soy milk. I'm sorry, but I believe there was a mistake with my order. I asked for oat milk." Being polite is key here. Most baristas will be happy to fix it for you. What if your coffee is too cold? "Excuse me, my coffee is a bit cold. Could you possibly remake it?" What if you spill your drink? It can be embarrassing, but don't worry, just let the staff know. "Oh no, I'm so sorry, I just spilled my coffee. Excuse me, I've made a mess. Could I get something to clean it up?" They will appreciate you telling them so they can clean it up safely. Alright, one last part of the cafe experience. Finding a seat and enjoying your time. If the cafe is crowded, you might need to ask if a seat is taken. You can walk up to a table where someone is sitting and ask, "Excuse me, is this seat taken? Is anyone sitting here?" If you're at a shared table, it's a nice gesture to ask before you sit down. And when you're leaving, a simple thank you, "Have a good day," to the staff is always a nice touch. Wow, we've covered a lot today. From ordering drinks and food to asking for Wi-Fi and handling small problems. The best way to get better at this is to practice. Don't be afraid to go to a cafe and try out these phrases. People are generally very patient and helpful. Remember, every time you practice, you're getting one step closer to speaking English confidently. You're doing an amazing job. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice session. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more English conversation practice. Let me know in the comments what other situations you'd like to practice. See you in the next video. Bye for now.